Most people get paid and stay broke. Here's why. Welcome to Daily Finance Lab, where we turn paychecks into progress. Today, I'm breaking down exactly where your money should go the moment you get paid so you can stop stressing and start building real wealth. First, your emergency fund. This is non-negotiable. Aim for 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. This protects you from debt when life happens, because life will happen. Next, high-interest debt. Credit cards and personal loans quietly drain your money every single month. Paying these off is one of the fastest ways to free up cash. Third, retirement accounts. Even if it feels far away, future you is counting on this. If your job offers a match, take it. That's free money. Fourth, investing. This is how money grows while you sleep. Think long-term, stay consistent, and don't chase hype. Fifth, long-term savings. A house, a business, education, big goals need intentional planning. Sixth, yes, fun money. Budgeted enjoyment keeps you sane and prevents burnout. We're building wealth, not misery. And finally, giving and personal growth. Helping others and investing in yourself always pays the best returns. So remember, don't just ask how much you make. Ask where your money goes. If this helped you, comment which one you're focusing on right now. Like the video and subscribe to Daily Finance Lab for smarter money every day. See you in the next one.